best smart washing machines. Welcome to Tony's Top Tech. Today we're diving into the world of smart appliances as we count down the 10 best smart washing machines for your home. Whether you're tackling mountains of laundry or just looking for more convenience in your wash routine, these smart washers, which all have matching smart dryers, are loaded with tech that'll make laundry days smoother and more efficient. But before we begin, here's a quick gee-whiz trivia question for you. What year was the first electric washing machine invented? Think you know the answer? Stick around until the end of the video, and we'll reveal the answer right before our number one pick. And don't forget, links to all the washers and their matching dryers are in the description below. Now, let's jump into the list, starting with number 10. Number 10. Kenmore Elite 41983 Smart Front Load Washer. The Kenmore Elite 41983 kicks off our list with its AcceloWash technology, which delivers faster wash cycles, perfect for when you're short on time and need clean clothes quickly. This machine also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning you can monitor and control your laundry straight from your smartphone using the Kenmore app. Imagine getting notified when your laundry is done without ever leaving the couch. The washer also features a large capacity, making it ideal for busy families with constant laundry needs. If fast cycles, smart features, and remote operation are what you're after, this washer is a great choice. Check out the link in the description for more details on this smart washing machine and its matching dryer. Number 9. Samsung FlexWash WV60M9900AV. Up next, the Samsung FlexWash brings a dual washing feature that lets you handle different laundry loads at the same time. It has a front-load washer for larger items and a top-load washer for smaller, delicate pieces. It's like having two washers in one, which is a huge time saver. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the machine remotely using the Samsung SmartThings app. This washer is perfect for families who juggle a variety of laundry needs, and it's energy efficient to boot. Plus, Samsung's matching smart dryer offers similar dual functionality, ensuring both your washer and dryer can handle your laundry with ease. As always, links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. Number 8. LG WM8100 HVA Smart Front Load Washer. At number 8, we have the LG WM8100 HVA. This smart washer is known for its turbo wash and steam technology, delivering fast, efficient cleaning that makes tough stains a thing of the past. The best part, you can control it remotely through LG's ThinQ app, which means you can start, pause, or monitor your laundry from virtually anywhere, whether you're in the next room or across town. This washer's massive capacity and smart features make it perfect for large households needing both performance and convenience. LG also offers a matching, smart dryer that can be controlled through the same app, creating a seamless laundry experience. For more info on this top-tier washer and its matching dryer, check the link in the description. Number 7. Electrolux EFLS 6.7 UTT Smart Front Load Washer. The load washer takes the 7th spot on our list, and it's a dream for anyone dealing with heavy laundry loads and tough stains. Its Smart Boost technology mixes water and detergent before the wash cycle begins, giving your clothes a deeper clean and ensuring even distribution of detergent. This feature is especially helpful for households with kids or pets. With Wi-Fi capabilities and app integration, you can also control this washer remotely, making laundry day more convenient than ever. Pair it with Electrolux's matching smart dryer, and you've got a high-performance laundry duo that's hard to beat. As usual, links are in the description for more details on this smart washing machine and dryer combo. Number 6. Maytag MHW86308C Smart Front Load Washer. Coming in at number 6 is the Maytag MHW86330HC, a powerhouse washer that packs a punch with its extra power button. This feature boosts the washer's stain-fighting abilities, perfect for handling even the most stubborn laundry issues like grass stains or food spills. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the washer through the Maytag app, meaning you can start, stop, and monitor your laundry from anywhere. It also has a fresh hold feature, which tumbles your clothes after the cycle ends to prevent them from getting musty. Pair it with the matching Maytag Smart Dryer to get the same level of control and efficiency for drying. Hit the link in the description for all the details on this smart washing machine and its dryer. Number 5. Bosch 800 Series WA2 855H2UC Smart Front Load Washer. Bosch is known for its energy-efficient appliances, and the 800 series WA2 855H2UC lives up to that reputation. This washer is designed to reduce both water and energy usage, making it environmentally friendly while still delivering powerful cleaning performance. You can control it remotely with Bosch's Home Connect app, giving you the freedom to start or monitor your laundry no matter where you are. It also operates incredibly quietly, which is perfect if your laundry room is close to your living areas. Bosch's matching smart dryer offers the same efficiency and quiet operation, making it a great pairing for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Check out the description for the link to this energy-saving washer and its matching smart dryer. Number 4. GE Profile PTW900BPTRS Smart Top-Load Washer. In fourth place, we have the GE Profile PTW900BPTRS, a top-load washer that offers smart dispense technology, which automatically doses the right amount of detergent for each load, taking the guesswork out of your laundry routine. This washer also has built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to control it with voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. If you're looking to integrate your appliances into your smart home setup, this washer is a perfect choice. And don't forget, GE offers a matching smart dryer that connects to the same system, giving you complete control of your laundry day. Links are in the description for more details on this smart top-load washer and its dryer. Number 3. Whirlpool WFW9620HC Front-Load Washer. Taking the third spot is the Whirlpool WFW9620HC. One of its standout features is the Load & Go XL dispenser, which holds enough detergent for up to 40 loads, automatically dispensing the right amount for each wash. This means fewer refills and a simpler laundry routine. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the washer remotely using the Whirlpool app, giving you the flexibility to start, stop, or monitor your laundry no matter where you are. Whirlpool's matching smart dryer offers similar remote control features, making them the perfect pair for busy households. Check the link in the description to see why this washer and dryer combo is a top pick. Number 2. Samsung WF45R6 300AV Smart Front Load Washer. Our runner-up is the Samsung WF45R6 300AV, which offers some seriously impressive smart features. It has steam cleaning capabilities that sanitize your clothes while removing stains and odors. Plus, you can control it through Bixby, Samsung's voice assistant, or remotely via the SmartThings app. It's an energy-efficient machine with a sleek design that fits perfectly into modern homes. Samsung's matching smart dryer provides the same advanced features, ensuring both your washer and dryer are part of a smart, connected system. All the details and links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Before we get to number 1, let's answer the trivia question. What year was the first electric washing machine invented? The answer is 1908. The first electric washing machine was called the Thor and was introduced by the Hurley Machine Company of Chicago. It revolutionized the laundry process and paved the way for the advanced machines we have today. Number 1. LG WM9500 HKA Smart Front Load Washer. Finally, at the top of our list is the LG WM9500 HKA. This washer is a true powerhouse with Turbo Wash 360 technology, which uses high-pressure nozzles to clean clothes more efficiently while using less water. It also features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the machine remotely through the LG ThinQ app. With a massive 5.8 CRFT capacity, it's perfect for large families or anyone needing to handle extra-large loads with ease. Pair it with LG's matching smart dryer, and you'll have a laundry duo that delivers both smart features and unmatched performance. Check out the link in the description to see why the LG WM9500 HKA and its matching dryer are the best on the market. And there you have it, the 10 best smart washing machines for your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more great content on the latest tech products. Let us know in the comments which washer caught your eye or which one you already have in your home. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, all the links to these smart washers and their matching dryers are in the description below. Be sure to check out more of our great content for the best tech reviews, tips, and product roundups. We've got plenty more videos lined up to help you find the best gadgets, appliances, and tech for your home. See you in the next video.